Hey, welcome everyone to another episode of NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Not really doing any barbecuing, not really doing any grilling. We're actually doing some cooking on the pizza oven. I tried one yesterday. I put a Jack's Pizza on. If you seen any of my Instagram or whatever, you've probably seen pictures of that. We're gonna try a homemade pizza tonight. A homemade cheeseburger pizza. We're going to put it all together. I cooked the meat. I'll show you that right now. Alright, so I got the meat cooked. Kayla's inside assembling the pizza. I'm getting the charcoal going, and we're gonna put it in the pizza oven. And I'll show you how I'm gonna do that. I kind of figured out a little way to do it, and hopefully it works again tonight. I don't know, we'll see. So that's what this is all about, is trying to figure everything out. That way you guys can do the same thing at home when you guys are trying to do stuff in your backyard, whether it's cooking a pizza, cooking on a flat top griddle, cooking on a Weber, cooking on a smoker, cooking on a propane grill. Hopefully these videos help you guys. I don't know, I'm trying. All right, let's get to it. All right, so this is where it's going to get tricky to show you guys. Hopefully I can do this. All right, here we go. Now we're just going to put it all on the back side. Woo! Okay, so this isn't exactly how I want it. See how it's not kind of lined up? So I'm going to kind of try to line it up without getting burned. All right, that looks pretty good. Now, we're gonna add something special to this grill. We're gonna add these. These are oak chunks. Jack, you gonna hand me another oak chunk? Yep, hand me another one. All right. One more. Yep. Put those right there. So that oak's just gonna add a little bit of wood flavor to this whole pizza deal. So we're gonna put the grate back on, put the lid back on. We're just gonna let that sucker cook for a minute, and then we're gonna get our pizza put on. All right, so that's what I want. I want all that heat and smoke and everything coming out there instead of up here. I got that closed, but I want it all coming out here. That way it cooks the top of the pizza. All right, here we go. This is our cheeseburger pizza, homemade cheeseburger pizza. It's got a ketchup and mustard sauce, hamburger meat, which you've seen. It has bacon and mozzarella cheese. And we're just gonna slide that puppy right on there. All right, so not sure how to show you how to do this. I had to put my camera up because I can't do this with all the stuff in my hands. So this crust is already there, so we're just gonna pull it off. Now, where'd my thing go? Okay, here we go. All right, so there she is. She's cooking. Got some flame coming up through the back there from that oak wood, and a lot of smoke, but that's perfect. It gives that flavor. Gonna let it cook. We're just gonna keep an eye on it, and we're gonna keep turning it. Got to keep it turning because otherwise it'll get too cooked on one side. So you just got to keep it turning. Kayla's got another pizza in there ready for us. So as soon as this one's done, we're gonna swap out and throw another one on. All right, so I pulled it back a little bit because the cheese is melting pretty good, but the bottom's getting a little darker, and I don't want to burn it. So I pulled it back away from the heat. That way it just sits there and kind of takes up the heat that it has, and that way it can melt that cheese and everything else. All right, we're gonna pull her off. Hopefully you can hear me over my neighbor mowing. There you go. That's pizza one. We'll go get the other one started. All right, pizza number 2 going in. This time on this pizza, I'm not gonna put it as far back. I'm gonna try to keep it up a little bit. That way it heats it up and doesn't like burn the bottom like the other one. It didn't burn, but it just got a little more darker than I wanted. so I want to bring it this way. Somebody said I need to bring this all down to here, that way it cooks the top better. I think it does a pretty good job the way I'm doing it, but I don't want to put it over the heat to where it burns the bottom before it does anything else. So anyway, let's get this one on. All right, pulling number 2 off. That looks pretty good. That looks pretty dang good. And we didn't even get the bottom that dark either, so that's pretty good. There you go. Wood-fired pizza oven, homemade, cost me roughly $20, less than $20. And I got me a homemade cheeseburger pizza, one of my favorite cheeseburger pizzas. I'm sweating profusely because it's hot sitting here. But man, does that not look good? That looks great. I gotta admit, this was well worth the money spent. I know my wife says, oh, it takes too long to cook a pizza on it. I don't care, that looks pretty good. I'm gonna go eat this sucker. Alright guys, that's it for me. That is it for the wood-fired pizza oven, the homemade wood-fired pizza oven. It's still going. I have a feeling it's gonna take a little while for that to burn off. But anyway, not the point. The point is, it was amazing. That was a really good pizza, and my neighbor's still mowing, by the way, if you could probably hear it. But I'm gonna go inside and cool off because I'm hot. The pizza was delicious, but I'm still sweating. I'm still messing with my grill, and I'm ready to go inside for the night. So we'll see you guys next time on another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling and Pizza Cooking, apparently. And we'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share the crap out of this. Check out my Instagram at NewBQ2020, or I do have a Facebook page now. Same thing, NewBQ2020. So check them out. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.